Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into one of the most talked about health trends around the world, drinking olive oil on an empty stomach. Some swear by it, others think it's just a myth. So what's the truth? For thousands of years, olive oil has been considered the liquid gold of the Mediterranean. Ancient civilizations used it not just for cooking, but as a medicine, a beauty elixir, and a ritual for longevity. Now, modern science is finally catching up to confirm some of these claims. But before we dive into the benefits, let's clear one thing. Not all olive oil is created equal. You need extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil to get the real health effects. Cheap or refined oils lose most of their nutrients during processing. 1. Digestive health and liver support. One of the main reasons people take olive oil on an empty stomach is to support digestion and liver function. Studies show that a small amount of extra virgin olive oil can stimulate bile production, which is essential for digesting fats efficiently. This not only improves digestion, but also helps your liver process toxins more effectively. Some research suggests that olive oil can protect the liver from fatty deposits and oxidative stress. Think of it as giving your liver a gentle shield every morning before you start eating. Tip: 1 tablespoon of high-quality olive oil in the morning can make a real difference if done consistently. 2. Heart health and cholesterol balance. We all know olive oil is part of the famous Mediterranean diet, but why is it so special for the heart? Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad LDL cholesterol and increase good HDL cholesterol. It also contains polyphenols, which are antioxidants that prevent inflammation and plaque buildup in your arteries. Studies have shown that people who incorporate olive oil regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. So, taking it on an empty stomach, it can give your cardiovascular system a head start for the day, helping your body manage cholesterol and oxidative stress from the very first meal. 3. Blood sugar control. Olive oil isn't just good for your heart, it also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. When consumed in the morning, it slows down glucose spikes and improves insulin sensitivity, especially in people at risk of type 2 diabetes. This means fewer energy crashes, less sugar craving, and more stable energy throughout the day. Pairing olive oil with breakfast, like a slice of whole grain bread or a smoothie, enhances this effect. 4. Anti-inflammatory power. Chronic inflammation is the root of almost every modern disease, from arthritis to heart disease. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural compound with anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen. Daily consumption may reduce joint pain, improve mobility, and even protect your brain from inflammation-related decline. This is why many Mediterranean elders remain active and sharp well into their 80s and 90s. Olive oil isn't just food, it's a daily medicine. 5. Skin, hair, and beauty benefits. Olive oil isn't just for internal health, it works wonders externally too. Rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, it can help keep your skin moisturized and youthful, reduce oxidative damage from the sun, strengthen hair, and prevent breakage. Some people even massage a teaspoon into their skin in the morning, allowing it to soak in while they start their day. It's natural, non-toxic, and deeply nourishing. 6. Weight management and metabolism. Interestingly, taking olive oil on an empty stomach may also aid in weight management. The healthy fats increase satiety, meaning you feel fuller for longer and naturally eat less during the day. Additionally, some studies suggest it can boost metabolism slightly, helping your body process calories more efficiently. Remember, moderation is key. 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is enough to see benefits. More isn't better. 7. How to take olive oil safely on an empty stomach. Now that we know the benefits, here's the right way to do it. Use high-quality, extra virgin, cold-pressed olive oil. Take 1 tablespoon in the morning before eating anything. You can mix it with warm water or lemon for easier digestion. Follow with breakfast after 15-30 minutes. Avoid taking too much at once. More than 2 tablespoons may upset your stomach. Consistency is far more important than quantity. 8. Common myths debunked. We know some people think drinking olive oil will instantly melt fat or cure chronic diseases. This is false. It's not a magic potion, but a daily habit that supports your body and enhances overall health over time. Combine it with a healthy diet, hydration, and exercise for the best results. Final thoughts. So should you drink olive oil on an empty stomach? Yes, if you want to support digestion, heart, brain, and skin health. Yes, if you want a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant boost. But remember, quality matters, and consistency is the key. Olive oil has been used for thousands of years, and science is finally validating what our ancestors already knew. Sometimes the simplest natural remedies are the most powerful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Do you already use olive oil on an empty stomach, or are you going to try it after watching this? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications bell so you won't miss our next video on natural health and longevity. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.